Good morning, Mambaha Cam again. It's Thursday, August 21st. Hard to believe I've been down here 6 months already. I actually got my selfie stick so you can see what I look like. 6 months ago, I couldn't even get 2 people down here for helping me from the government, but now I have a crew of 20. And we clean this area up. This is our 5th day. We got time to service the kabooms. I grabbed a few plants from my house, did a little landscaping in hopes that if it's beautiful enough, we may not even need that no littering sign. We got a new guy coming here. We already got 2 bags going. I'm going to have to go buy another 50 bags today to add to our pile of 70 here. So we got a 6 or 8 man team over in the brush there. We're going to get both the booms cleaned out today and make some more headway on cleaning up the sides of the streets. That's our little cement pad we cleared over there to dry things out, and then we bag and sort and stick it out on the road and hope LGU is going to pick it up. So, and hopefully we won't even need that sign here. We can move it somewhere else. I just love these birds of paradise. They get nice and bushy, big yellow flower. It's going to be clean and beautiful Mambaha again soon.